Good morning, distinguished participants of the Interconnect International Conference 2024. My name is Junola Trinugraini, representing the SPR Institute of Communication and Business. I'm delighted to present our research titled Peer Communication Pattern in LSBA, Creating an Inclusive Social Environment for Children with Autism Disorder. This research is a collaborative effort with my esteemed colleagues, Dr. Christina Wempi, MSc, and specializing in cultural communication, inclusive education, and semiotics. Marlina S.A. M. Ecom, expert in community development and city branding. Ibu Marlina, please say hi to attendees.
Halo.
Thank you. Now we go to introduction of our research. Introduction. To start, autism or autism spectrum disorder or ASD is a developmental condition affecting communication, social interaction, and behavior. In Indonesia, the prevalence of ASD has increased significantly, with 1 in 150 children diagnosed in 2006. This trend highlights the urgency of fostering inclusive education environments for children with special needs. Our research focuses on LSBA, a unique skill and training institution offering creative and supportive learning programs for students with special needs. The next, please. Objectives and methodology. The key objectives of our research are: the first, to understand how children with ASD communicate with their peers in inclusive settings. The second, to gain insights into the roles of educators and support staff in fostering social interactions. Third, to identify strategies that encourage inclusivity in education. We adopted a qualitative approach, conducting interviews and observation over 6 months with children, educators, psychologists, and support staff. Next, please. Findings, communication patterns. Our findings reveal several patterns in the communication and social behaviors of children with ASD at LSBA. The first, facial expressions. Children with Asperger's syndrome recognize change in peers' expression, but often struggle to respond appropriately. Second, voice intonation. They can detect tone change and understand intent, unlike those with more severe autism, who often require physical cues. Third, social context. Understanding social nuances is challenging, yet children from higher socioeconomic background show slightly better adaptability. Next, please. Challenges and importance of inclusivity. Despite their challenges, children with ASD have shown potential for growth in inclusive environments like LSBA. Activities such as storytelling and collaborative texts help them build confidence and foster peer relationship. However, limitation in group discussion and play highlights the need for toiler support. This reinforces the critical role of educators, psychologists, and support staff in creating a nurturing environment that align with the principles of SDGs 4, ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education for all. Next, please. Okay, recommendations. Based on our research, we propose the following recommendation. First, for educators, specialized training in autism-specific communication strategies. Second, for parents, workshop and support group to extend inclusivity practice at home. Third, for institution, a structured program encouraging peer interaction and continuous monitoring to assess progress. Additionally, we advocate for future interdisciplinary studies to identify scalable models for inclusive education. Next, please. In conclusion, our research highlights the transformative impact for inclusive education setting like LSBA. With proper support and toilet programs, children with ASD can thrive socially and academically. Together, educators, psychologists, and families can foster an environment that not only meets their unique needs, but also contribute to broader goals and social inclusion. Next, please. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to your question and feedback.